You see how a tetrahedral is formed by the close packing of 4 atoms. Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll discuss how to draw the open structure of simple cubic or primitive unit cell of BCC and FCC by taking the help of 6 parameters A, B, C, alpha, beta, gamma. Here we have taken A is equal to B is equal to C and alpha, beta, gamma 90 degree. But we can make different unit cells having different values of A, B, C and alpha, beta, gamma. But here only we have taken A is equal to B is equal to C and alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree. You see, we are going to make a simple cubic arrangement, or you can say primitive unit cell. There are 8 atoms. Those atoms are known as lattice points. The lattice points may be atoms, ions or molecules. Here we have taken 8 atoms. In the closest arrangement, you see 8 atoms are arranged in form of a cube. Here A is equal to B is equal to C, alpha, beta, gamma 90 degree. In the open structure, for the ease of the study, the atoms or lattice points are made small and connected by straight lines. You see, this is a primitive unit cell, or you can say simple cubic. Simple cubic arrangement. To make the open structure of body-centered cubic or BCC, a lattice point must be there at the center of the unit cell. You see how a lattice point at the center is included. This is the BCC arrangement. In the face-centered unit cell or CCP arrangement or FCC arrangement, each face of the unit cell contains a lattice point at the center. You see, this is FCC arrangement. Here you see this is an end-centered unit cell. You see how an octahedral void can be created from 6 atoms in their close packing. You see there are 6 atoms, 4 atoms made up of white color are arranged in this fashion. The black one is kept at the bottom and the red one is kept at the top. You see the hole in between these 6 atoms in their close packing is known as octahedral hole. For information, number of atoms per unit cell in simple cubic or primitive unit cell is 1. The contribution of each corner atom is 1 by 8 to the unit cell. So the total number of atoms per unit cell is 1 by 8 into 8 is equal to 1. For BCC it is 2. In primitive or simple cubic arrangement, number of atoms per unit cell is 1 because the contribution of each corner atom is 1 by 8. As there are 8 corner atoms, so total number of atoms per unit cell is 1 by 8 into 8 is equal to 1. In case of BCC, number of atoms per unit cell is 2 because there are 8 corner atoms and 1 atom at the center of the unit cell. The atom is a lattice point over here. Lattice point may be an atom, ion or molecule. So total number of atoms per unit cell in BCC is equal to 1 by 8 into 8 is equal to 1, and the contribution of the atom in the center is 1. So total number of atoms per unit cell in BCC is 2. In FCC, number of atoms per unit cell is 4. You see how there are 8 corner atoms and each face of the FCC arrangement contains a lattice point. Contribution of the atom present on the face is half to the unit cell. So there are 6 faces, 6 into half is equal to 3, and previously it is 1 by 8 into 8 is equal to 1, so 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So there are 4 atoms per FCC unit cell. Thank you for watching the video till the end.